it's Heather. I've come out to my mum's place to visit the puppy dogs because her dog MJ has just had teeny tiny puppies and they are so cute. Hey gorgeous! In a minute, we'll just say hello from here for a minute. Hello! Oh, you're a good girl. Look at this! Look at this puppy!
This one has a short tail. Look, there's no little tail. And its eyes are still closed. And it's got little tiny colours on its ears too, see?
Ooh, spotty ears.
MJ's whinging. She's like, ooh.
Your little feet. He's so cute.
Aww. Look at the little ears flapping. They're still closed up, their ears.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Oh, good MJ. We'll have a look in a sec.
It's alright, I'll bring it back.
Oh, are you taking my puppy?
One, look. Aww. This one's got a long tail. Ooh.
Hello, cutie. Oh, nice patch on the head. Don't pull me over, please.
Pretty face. Look, see how her eyes are closed?
So
Aww. This is a little boy as well.
hello, cutie.
Oh, this is the biggest one, isn't it?
Inside is a window.
They're little fat sausages.
Hey, she's getting darker, the nose, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
The nose is getting darker. Big growling.
MJ.
No touching.
Can I pet MJ? Will she be alright with that?
No, don't pat her. See, look at them all
Look at
sleeping.
everybody. Oh, sleeping puppies. How many we
Two
got?
having a drink.
1, 2, 3, 4 over there. And then 2.
Good girl, Pepper. Good girl, MJ.
Oh, you're a good girl. That's a good mummy dog. Yes, you
Nice
are.
with your biscuits today, haven't you?
Oh, what a good girl. The little noises they make are so cute. Hey, my good girl.
They all pile up together in a little pile and have a sleep.
Look at they wiggle around without walking. Wiggle, wiggle. We can do it. Oh, that's the cutest noise. Look at these ones sleeping.
Just sitting there letting them drink.
What's the sleepy one making the noise?
They twitch when they're asleep. They must dream all the time.
I hope the camera's picking up the noise. I can't get any closer.
MJ might get cranky if we put you on the ground. So
Oh,
you're better off
Denise
just to
making
sit
the
with
noise.
pup.
Can you count the puppies' toes?
There's 1, 2, 3, 5.
I'm sorry. Oh, shoot.
Look at the mouth on it. And the tongue wrapped around the nipple. The other one's sound asleep now. She's tucked in there and goes asleep.
Oh, they're under a leg. Squish. You right? You're standing on it, mate.
Oh, she's sort of over it.
Happens to the best of us.
Move your foot. Oh, that's right.
Squish them all. Because they're so brand new, we couldn't actually like hold them or pat them or anything because you never know what mum dog's going to do. If they don't want you anywhere near the puppies, then they don't. Currently being drooled on by a Labrador and sat on by a Australian Terrier. That's I love coming out to mums. It's so chilled out. So yeah, I don't really have anything to talk about this week. So here's some footage of baby birds. What kind of bird is that?
A baby puppy.
Cool. I hope you all have a really good week and a really good Christmas. I haven't made anything particularly festive, video-wise I mean. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't really have any good ideas, but I'm looking forward to it. We're doing some driving around, but mostly just hanging out with family for Christmas, which is the most important part. So yeah, I hope you have a great Christmas if you celebrate it. I hope you have a good time doing whatever you do if you don't celebrate Christmas. Have a great week. I'll see you next Monday. Bye. I'm going to make a zucchini slice today. If he doesn't like it, I will love it anyway. I love zucchini.